What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to load paper correctly into your Epson XP-2200 printer. So the correct thing to do guys is to go to the rear paper feeder and load your paper in the way that I'm about to show you. Now I have some A4 paper here, or letter paper if you are from the US. And we are going to go back to the back of our printer guys. And we want to lift up this flap here. And as we're going to see, we want to take this panel out just by lifting the grey bit, and we want to click it back so it has something to support our paper. Now, we also have, when you first get your printer, this blue clip will be in the middle of your paper feeder. We want to move that to the side so that we can put our paper in. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is take the paper and just place it in as so. And what we can also do, guys, is we can move the clip to just kind of accommodate the paper, make sure it's secure. That will help as well. But overall, you can see we do have some markings on the side of the rear paper feeder, which show us that we have correctly entered our A4 paper, as it has reached the kind of limit for an A4 piece of paper. But yeah, guys, that's it. So if your paper is like this now, and it looks very similar to what I have going on my printer, that is exactly what you want. You will now be able to print correctly after you've loaded this paper. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this did help, make sure to like and subscribe. That would help us out so much. And if you have any comments, guys, or any questions or problems, feel free to leave them down below. We love helping you guys out with your printers. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. If you guys need any supplies, printing supplies, cartridges or paper, guys, check out the link below for our sponsor. They are a great third-party global shipping printing website. They do really good deals and have really good offers, and you'll be helping out a small business. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.